So we're at a block drain today. And as you can see, it's caused a major blockage, so let's get this manhole up and have a look. So the manhole's running fine. It's got to be the gully. Okay, let's block. Just going to shut this door too, mate.
No problem.
So yeah, I think that's the offending article there. So first off, what we'll do is we'll give that a plunge. Flowing now. Now what we're going to have to do is just tidy this courtyard up a bit, disinfect it, because apparently it's been sat like this for around 3 weeks. That's flowing great. We'll get them to flush the toilet there just to make sure that he's flowing out the toilet as well, there's no blockages that end. Right, let's move some stuff and get this tidied up for the customer. We'll give that a wash off because that's covered in with grease and fat and God knows what else. So much we can do here because we haven't got any water. Let's just have a look. No, there's no tap there. Put some disinfectant down. Neat here. Let us scrub. Move that rod out the way. Thank you very much, mate. Good stuff. Oh, thank you. Very messy. Try and get it cleaned up as best as I can for you, mate. We're getting there, we're getting there. I will do, mate, thank you. Pull this down here now and just see if it's flowing as it should. Yeah, I'm happy with that, mate. Let's just clean this area up then. There we go, I'm happy with that. Look, the kitchen sink water's going straight down. Could you just flush that downstairs toilet for me, please? Sorry, could you just flush the toilet for me and just make sure that's flowing down this drain, okay? No issues with that at all. Is the toilet flushed?